Sweet, sweet story, sweet, sweet story, story with Saran.
Why have you locked the study room, dear?
Mommy, I don't want anyone to enter into my room.
Would you like to come out and listen to a story where jungle animals decided to have boundaries like you?
Yes, Mommy, hooray!
Hello, my dear sweet kids. Our story's title is Unity in Diversity. Watch till the end for a fun fact and parent tips. Once upon a time, in a deep forest, there lived a wide variety of animals, from a small butterfly to a big elephant. Lion was their king. On a warm day, a giraffe was eating leaves from a tall tree. A squirrel stopped the giraffe and said, "This is my tree. You should not eat from this tree." The giraffe got surprised and said, "If this is your tree, then this is our land. You should not step on it." "If this is your land, then whole river belongs to us. You should not drink water from it," growled the crocodile. "If this water belongs to you, the entire grassland belongs to us. You should not even touch it," claimed the deer. Similarly, all animals of the jungle started quarreling and fighting with each other, claiming ownership for each natural resource. This information reached the Lion King. The king decided to teach a lesson to the animals. The Lion King ran to the top of the tallest mountain in the jungle and rolled down big rocks from the top of the mountain. This rolled many other rocks on the way down the mountain. A big rock hit a tree and baby squirrel's nest fell from the tree. But the giraffe quickly caught the baby squirrel's nest on its head. A baby giraffe got slipped on a rock and fell into the river. But a crocodile rescued the baby giraffe from drowning and safely brought the baby giraffe to the land. When a baby crocodile was about to get hit by a rock, a deer stopped the rock with its strong antlers. All different variety of adult jungle animals joined together and formed a circle around their young ones to protect them from the falling rocks. After the rocks settled, all animals smiled at each other in relief and thanked each other. The Lion King roared and said, "Some of us are small, some of us are big. Some live in water, some on the land. Some are white, while some are brown. But we all belong to the same jungle, and this whole jungle belongs to each one of us." All animals accepted the rules of the jungle. On January 26th, all animals unitedly celebrated their diverse variety with a grand parade in front of the Lion King. Squirrels and monkeys shook the trees to welcome the parade with flowers. The elephants lined up and marched on the land. Left, right. Its loud trumpet was heard everywhere. Wow! Air Force was led by flocks of colorful birds forming a rainbow in the sky. The Navy Force, with crocodiles, turtles and fishes, swam swiftly in the river, splashing water on everyone. From that day, all animals accepted their diverse nature and lived unitedly and peacefully.
We are drops from the same ocean. We are flowers from the same garden. We are people from the same world. We stay together in this heaven.
So kids, Even though this whole world has diverse animals, creatures, and different variety of people belonging to different countries, states, speaking different languages, we all unitedly belong to this one world, and this whole world belongs to each one of us. Shall we say it? Unity is strength. Shall we say it together this time? Unity is strength. Fun fact time! The first Republic Day was celebrated 3 years after we got independence. That is on January 26, 1950. 21 gun salutes are given every year when the President of India hoists the national flag on Republic Day to mark the honor. Parent tips. A family is one of the biggest examples of being unified and living together amicably. A family doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be united. Happy parenting! Do you still restrict us in your room, dear?
No, Mommy. Whole home belongs to everyone in the family.
If you like the story, click on the like button. To enjoy more interesting stories and get instant notifications, click on the subscribe button and the bell icon. Do share it with your friends too.